guys, my name is Namhle and welcome to our Financial Markets Literacy channel. So this week we're wrapping up copy trading. Now we're gonna go into it again and analyze or rather break down what else you can look into before you make a decision on which strategy provider you would like to follow. So you need to be really impressed before you can follow them. So for those joining us, welcome. For those who are returning, thank you so much. Hopefully you find this very useful. So without wasting any time, let us continue with our copy trading series. So the first thing now we're going to be looking at this week is the trades. Last week we did obviously do a summary of all the other important facts that you'll be looking at. This week we're just continuing with that, which is one. The first thing that we're going to be looking at are the trades. So there's an option there where you can view the trades based on the current month. It's automatically set to current month, but you can change that if you'd like to say previous months or last 6 months. Basically personalize it or say all history if you would like, and then it will show you the net profits on all trades, profit factor, commission, everything basically that you need to know, and it will show you on all trades, the long trades and the short trades as well. If you'd like to know more about long and short and you have not yet gone through those videos, please go through our previous videos and you will be able to see where we do a bit of terminology breakdown so that you can understand all of these terms as well as know when they are used. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to be looking into is the copier stats. For example, we can see there in June 2023, the average number of copiers is 1,451. And then in July 2023, it's 1,441. August 2023, it's 1,429. And then it says currently copying, it gives us a total. And then now the very important part, all right, which is active live copiers. This person has 82 active live copiers. The rest of these copiers are demo copiers. For example, I did make mention that you can copy these guys on a demo account before you decide that you want to copy them on a live account. So here you can clearly see that they have, which is normal by the way, that they have more demo copiers than they do have live copiers. Reasons for that could be anything really. It could be because that they are on people's favorites and they are being monitored maybe by guys like yourself or myself who would like to follow them, but they want to see their performance first before deciding whether they want to go ahead and follow them or not. So those could be the reasons. Or if maybe someone is already following them on a live account, they just started following them on demo as well, to see the difference maybe between a month or 2 months or a year or whatever the case may be. There's different reasons why people follow on a demo account. Okay. And then we also, if you scroll further down, you look at symbols. I'm not going to touch into symbols because obviously we've already done the breakdown of those. In terms of what percentage is allocated on the previous video, we did that, what percentage is allocated to which instrument, and we can tell that with this particular strategy provider, they mostly trade the euro dollar. Okay, now if we continue further down, we're going to see the history of all the trades that they have taken. Right now it is set to the last 3 weeks, but we can obviously personalize it and then we can choose maybe whatever other time period that we would like to look at rather than the 3 weeks that we are seeing right now. It's entirely up to you. It will break down obviously the trade ID, the symbol that they traded, which is a euro dollar in this instance, the opening direction, whether they sold or whether they bought, and then it will tell you the opening time, the closing time, the entry price, the take profit, stop loss if there was any, if it's a dash and then that it hasn't probably hit as yet. And then we look at the closing price, the commission charged. Commission charged is what the broker charges for the round trip of the trade. And then we see obviously the channel, which is cTrader, to Android, And then the swap fees. Swap fees are overnight fees that are charged as well for keeping trades overnight. And as well as the net profit on those trades for each and every single trade, for each and every single instrument traded as well, and the balance on their account after they had traded. And then right at the bottom right, we also see the realized P&L. And for example, in this instance, it's a negative $11.76. This is now for the time period, which is 3 weeks. I'm sure if I adjusted that, it's going to be different. All right. So that is it for having to analyze this particular strategy provider. Say now you are impressed and you'd like to start following them and you want to monitor them as well. All you need to do on the top right hand corner, you click where it says start copying. Okay. After you click on start copying, it will obviously open up a new tab for you to click on. So let's just wait for that to load. The new tab that will open will give you more information about this particular trade. It will say, for example, if it's demo or live, it will tell you demo and then give you your name and your balance, and it will give you an amount which is defaulted to the minimum amount that you can start following these trades on or with. And then it'll give you as well as the fees and the conditions in which you can basically copy these trades. For example, there we have minimum investment. Obviously, it's $100. Performance fee, we did make mention, is 30%. You can see there it's consistent, also mentioned right now. And then we can see that there's no management fee. There's no volume fee as well. And then it says one of the most important things to note as well, equity stop loss is equals to $50 will be automatically applied to your copy trading account. Okay. If you agree to all of that, what you can do is just click where it says start copying. Okay. Now, immediately when you click on start copying, you don't click on start copying unless you're confident and comfortable that you would like to start copying this account or the strategy. So if you're comfortable and confident in that, and then you can start clicking where it says start copying. Now, after you've clicked on start copying, what happens is it automatically opens up the trade for you. And then once it has opened that trade, once it started copying, it will open the trade on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll be able to see it there. I will give you an example. Right there, for example, I already had one, which is called Australian something something. And then now I have Panorama as well. And all of these, it's under accounts on my left-hand side of the screen of your copy trading platform. And there it will tell you Panorama, and then it will say $100, and then it says 0%. The reason why it says 0%, that shows my performance since I have started following this particular strategy provider. And if you check the one above that, it says positive 4% because that is the performance I have gained basically since I had started following that other strategy provider. So there you get to monitor all your trades, and if you would like to close it, you click on the 3 dots on the side and you can click where it says stop copying basically afterwards, if that's what you would like to do. So if you want to keep it, obviously you leave it running, but if you want to close it, you click on the 3 dots and you go where it says stop copying, and then it will automatically remove it from the list of strategy providers that you have. Now, something also to note before you stop copying, there's an option where you can add funds as well on that function. If you click on those 3 dots, it says set equity stop loss. You can adjust your stop loss there from $50. You can adjust it if you want to increase it or decrease it. You click there. Where obviously you can open strategy page, or you can create an investor link. An investor link means that you would like another person to view your profile. So it gives you that option as well. So someone else would log onto your profile as an investor. This means that they won't have any control over your trades. They won't be able to open or close trades. They'll just be able to view the trades that you have open. So that's what an investor link is. And obviously it also gives you an option to email your statements, which is your trading statements of all the trading activity that is happening on your account. And that is it from my side when it comes to copy trading. Hopefully you found this series of copy trading very useful. And like I said, please share it with people who might find it useful and beneficial as well, and let them copy these guys on a demo account before they decide that they would like to go live. And this is also beneficial for people who want to become partners or IBs. I did make mention this before. The reason for that is because some IBs might say that I don't have the time to educate, but I do have access to people who are interested. So you can present to them copy trading. You can redirect them to this video as well. And obviously once you are an IB and you can see the amount of volumes that the clients are trading, you start earning rebates based on the volumes traded as well. So it's a very, very useful tool, be it that you're a first-time trader or long-time trader or an IB. It's very, very, very useful. If you do have questions around it, please do reach out to me on my social platforms, which is Nomhledlala, or you can just comment on this video and I'll be more than happy to assist you. I will be including a link at the bottom as well so that you can access this demo copy trading platform. So that is it from my side. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. So take care and goodbye. Be blessed.